Typed allows for simultaneous editing, and because of that, collaboration is well supported. Not only that, but we have a few features that are beneficial for collaboration. First up, we have our review request feature. The review request feature, eponymously named, allows you to request a review from a team member within the same space. Reviews can be requested only from within a document, and thus are document-centric. Head into a document and look at the top right corner. Click on the request review, plus new request, and a pop-up modal will appear. You must fill in the following to send a request. Select your reviewers, select the purpose or type of review, select due date. Although not necessary, it would be incredibly helpful for your reviewers if you filled in the box with the reasoning of your request. Important note here, as mentioned just now, you must have at least one other member in the space to utilize this feature. The review request will be sent to your reviewer's Review Requests tab in the navigation panel of My Home. Bonus tip, if their Slack account is the same Gmail as their typed account and you allow access between typed and Slack, the review request will be sent as a DM. Once you have finished reviewing the document, click on Reviewed to mark it reviewed. Secondly, we have our Tasks feature. While tasks can be used as a single player, you can assign tasks to team members of the space, and the task or tasks will display on their My Home page. Lastly, we have the Share feature. The Share feature works very similarly to Google's Share feature. Clicking on Share will pop open a modal that allows you to change settings for the specific document. Click on the drop-down to select what kind of access you would like to give people with the link. You must press the Copy Link button and provide the link to whomever you are providing the document to. As this is an external share feature, anyone with the link will be able to see the content of the document. I'll go on to Incognito Mode and show you what it's like as an external person. Viewers obviously can only view the document and its references. Editors may edit the content of the document and view the document library, but can only add or remove references if they are logged in or signed up to Typed. With that single link, you just shared a plethora of content and links that are simply collected within one document. Next up, we have a topic that is a mirror of our philosophy: recycling and reusing the references so that they don't go to waste. See you there.